Sorry for this interruption, but I am attacking. Oh my gosh, it's an emergency alert system issued again. Alright, again. Test results for 59, 45, 40, 46, and 61. These results change points. Well, 17, 5, 9, 7 points. English, math, Spanish, science, and sociality. Left and right to view details. Test results 1-7. Test results 2-7. Total grade out of 500. Vic Soto, first year, 307. Alice Moon, 307. Anna Ford, 275. Ted Bilal, 244. Rod Lika, 224. Mandy Cole, 158 points. English out of 100. Alice Moon, 82. Rod Lika, 65. Ted Bilal, 59. Anna Ford, 58. Vic Soto and Mandy Cole, 53 and 39. Vic Soto, 70. Math out of 100. Ted Bilal, 64. Rod Lika, 54. Alice Moon, Anna Ford, and Mandy Cole, 48, 30, and 7 points. Spanish out of 100. Anna Ford, 70. Vic Soto, 44. Against with Alice Moon. Ted Bilal get 36 points, while Rod and Mandy got 35 and 12. Science out of 100. Vic Soto, 68. Alice Moon, 55. Anna Ford, 54. Mandy Cole, 40. Ted Bilal, 32. Rod Lika, 30. Alice Moon, 78 points. Sociality or history out of 100. Vic Soto, 72 points. Anna Ford, 63 points. Mandy Cole, 60 points. Ted Bilal, 53 points. 40 points goes to Rod Lika. And that's all. The school's overall achievements are getting well and well. Average and ranking changes over 5 years from 500 to 250. To the number 1 spot, now 252 points, rank 138 from last time, 202 points from rank 161, and 3 years ago it was 181, rank 170. Congratulations, we got to the top 150 for the first. We got a special bonus of $3,000 or pesos. Now let's build the principal's office before they go out the air. So this is B Chilean D-Zone 0904 fan with Karen Davila signing off. Our source had revealed that Ivan Vernashon High School just got a principal's office. The article increased the number of potential students. A gift scholar. Anna Ford has received an invitation from the organizers of an essay contest. Go to the essay contest, Anna Ford. You can do it. I'll work hard to make the best of my time here. Oh, it's empty. Here we are. The entrance ceremony today. We have done this 2 times at Ivan Vernashon High School already. We got 2 bright-eyed students coming this year.